I'm making sugar-free milk chocolate chips and matcha muffins. And I used this oil to spray inside these cups because it's almond flour and it tends to stick pretty bad. Use a brush and then just brush the oil around and up on the sides. Okay. A quarter of a cup of stevia. I'm using powdered stevia this time. You can see here it's a quarter of a cup of powdered stevia. 1 cup of almond flour. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 2 tablespoons of matcha powder. And then the vanilla protein powder, 1/2 cup. Okay, 1/2 cup of vanilla protein powder goes in there. Mix that up. Mix it up. Okay, you can see it should be green. Okay, let's add in, normally we would put the wet ingredients separate, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to add it all together. 4 eggs. So far, no shells. Okay. And then a cup of Greek yogurt. 1 cup Greek yogurt. I'm actually measuring everything this time. Plain Greek yogurt. You can use a flavor if you want. I'm going with plain. Okay. Two tablespoons of avocado oil. 1, 2. There's just nothing left. The reason I'm using 2 tablespoons of avocado oil starting now is because it really does help keep because it's almond flour, it doesn't have enough starch. It helps the muffin from sticking in the pan. All right. We'll put the Lily's chocolate chips in just a minute. Let's mix this up. You can certainly use a little blender for this. I don't think it needs it, but you could. Kind of a fun muffin because it's green with chocolate chips. It'd be good for Christmas or Halloween. Oops. Okay, just want to make sure I get all that flour off the bottom. It off. think so. You know, something else you can put in almond flour to kind of help activate it is you can put, and I do it sometimes, I just don't have it right now, is apple cider vinegar. So there you go. And here's the consistency. You see that consistency? Looks good. Okay, let's throw it in the pans. Oh, chocolate chips. Release. And this gets a half a cup of chips. Okay, so 1/2 cup. Fold those in, don't mix. You're supposed to fold them. Folding is literally just folding it in. Can you see that? It's fun. It's making like bubbles. Like little bubbles are coming out. I can show that. It's like it's cabbage or something. I'm sure it's the baking. I don't know. I can show it. Okay, let's get this in the pan. Okay, let's pour these in the, oh crud. Pour them in the pan. I think you can see that. 3/4 full. Of course, all the chips seem to fall to the bottom. A little OCD on the measurement here. Okay, let's get a spatula. No reason to waste the batter. Okay. Let's put more in this one. Oh, this middle one. Let's put a little bit more in this. All right, I think that's pretty good. Clean it up a little bit. Yeah, that looks good. So you can see, it's fun green. They're super green. I know that's probably not shown really well, but they're fun and green, and they have those chocolate chips in them. Okay, let's bake them 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, let's check them to see if they're done. It's been 25 minutes. They look pretty good. They're brown on top, as you can tell, but let's do the toothpick. Let's see. Looks good. They're done inside. I'm just going to let them brown on top, so I'm going to turn it up to 450 and just watch it for a couple minutes. Actually, turn these around. I like mine to be a little bit more brown on top. Okay, literally I'm gonna watch that for like 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes at 450, it's time to take them out. Oh, they look really good. Nice, that's a nice brown. All right, we'll let them cool down for 10 minutes. Put these in the freezer. And then once they're frozen, I'll take the paper off. They came out really good. They're now been frozen. So frozen. And that's when you want to take the wrapper off. See, it comes off very easy when they're frozen. It does not come off easy, which we tried when they're hot. See, perfect. And they came out really good. Cut it so you can see. They're fun and they're green. I'm whatever you call them, derobing the muffins. And little Cass, he's so sweet. Are you waiting? He thinks he's gonna get a muffin. Unfortunately, he can't eat these. You sweet puppy? Yes, you are.